What up, YouTube? This is T at T Productions with an episode of Ticket Grinder. And today I have 3 tickets here, totaling of $15. We have the Big Rich is $10. We have their $3 new Starry Night Slingo, and the $2 Blackjack ticket. We are going to start with the $3 Slingo ticket. Okay, this is number 32. And let's see here. We all know how to play Slingos. The odds are 1 in 388. Not bad. Okay, so scratch each horizontal spin line to reveal your Slingo numbers. Play area. Scratch the corresponding numbers in the Slingo grid. Match all 5 numbers in a complete horizontal, vertical, or diagonal line in the Slingo grid. Win the corresponding prize amount shown in the Slingo legend. Win $3 for each gold coin revealed in the spins. Win $5 for each shooting star symbol you reveal in your Slingo numbers. Okay, so let's see if we can do this. I don't like Slingo, so this is the Slingo grid. Here we go with the Slingo numbers. Row 1, we have a 2, we have a 20, we have a 45, we have a 50, and we have, what is that, a 73. So let's see, do we have a 2 anywhere in this Slingo ticket? Let's see, nope. Okay, do we have a 20? Yes, we do. We have a 20 right here. There's a 20. No other 20. Do we have a 45? 45. Nothing there. Nothing there. Nope. No. Okay, do we have a 50? 50 there? Nope. No, and no. How about a 73? Yep, we have a 73 right here in the bottom corner. There's a 73. Okay, any more 73s? No. Next row. Wow, these rows are so small. We have an 11. We have a 22. We have a 39. 47 and a 72. See if we got an 11 anywhere. Oh, yep, we already have 11 here. Right there. There's an 11. No more 11s. 22. No 22. 39. Yep, 39 right down here. That's 39 right there. No other 39s. 47. No 47. 72. 72. No 72s. Next row. We have a 7. 16. 36. 58 and 70. So let's see, do we have a, oh gosh, oh wow, this gets scratched up pretty easily. We have a 7, yep, right here in the top. No more 7s. Nope. We have a 16. Yep, 16 here, down here at the bottom. 16 right there. 36. 36. No 36. Moving on. 58. No 58s. 70. Yep, we have 70 up here in the top. There's a 70. Next row, we have a 5, 24, 41, 54, and 66. So let's see if we have a 5. No 5. 24. No 24. 41. No 41. 54. Yep, 54 down here at the bottom. There's a 54. And 66. Yep, 66 right here. Okay, so 66. Next row, we have a 14. We have a 21. We have a 31. We have a 49. And a 63. So 14. Let's see if we have a 14. Yep, we have a 14 here. Right there. That's 14. Do we have a 21? I saw a 21 in here somewhere, I think. No 21. Oops, okay. 31. Yep, we got a 31 right here. There's a 31. Then we have 49. No 49. 63. No 63. Next row, we have a 8. 28. 35. 46. And 64. So we've got to find an 8. No 8. 28. No 28. 35. No 35. 40. 46. Yep, 46 right here. There's a 46. 64. 64. No 64. Second to the last row, and we have a 13. I think. Yep, we have a 13. 26. 40. 55. And 75. So we got a 13 here. 13. No 13 there. No 13. 26. Yep, 26 right here. Right there, 26. 40. Yep, we got a 40 here. Right there, 40. 55. 55. No 55. 75. 75. No 75. Okay, last row, folks. We have a 6. We have a 30. 42. 48. And a 71. So we go for a 6. No 6. 30. No 30. 42. 42. No 42. 48. No 48. 71. Yeah, there's 71 there. But, unfortunately, this ticket's not a winner. And that's the Slingo $3 ticket, number 32. No winner. Alright, moving on to the blackjack. Okay, folks, so this is a $2 blackjack ticket, number 82, right there, 82. Okay, if any of the player's hands beats the dealer's hand, win prize shown for that hand. Get a blackjack 21 to win double the prize shown for that hand. If dealer reveals a bust symbol, win all 7 prizes. What are the odds? Let's find out. Odds are 1 and 397. Alright, let's begin. Let's see what the dealer's hand gets. Alright, we have... Let's move this up so you guys can see it. Let's begin. Okay, the dealer has a 17. Alright, so we're going to start this way, and we're going to see what we get. So he's got a 17. We've got an ace and a 3. So that's 14. Alright, player 2's hand is a 4 and a 8. We got a 12. Alright, we have a 6 and a king. So we got 16. Almost Well, we didn't beat him. That's a 16 right there. So let's play. What does player 4 have? He has a 3 and a 9. That's 12. Still nothing, and we've got 3 more hands to play. Hope we beat him. Okay, so we got a 6 and a queen. 16. Oh, man. This is close. Alright, so we got 2 more chances. We got 6 and 7 to go. So let's see what we get. We have a 5, and we have a 7. Oh, boy. Another 12. We got 12. Okay, last hand. Are we going to beat him with this one? Maybe, maybe not. Let's see what we get. We have a 4 and a queen. Nope, we didn't win. Dealer takes all our money. Look at that. Alright, that's 2 down. Now we got the big $10 big riches. Okay, so we have to... Okay, so we got bonus cashes, 25 to 150. But we have to find a stack of bills to win prize shown. Okay, and then of course down here on the number 2 on game 2, match any of your numbers to any of the winning numbers. Win prize shown below that number. Reveal a 10x symbol. Win 10 times the prize shown below that symbol. Okay, this is number 22. What are the odds on this thing? The odds are 1 in 388. Alright, so let's see if we can win any of these bonus prizes, shall we? Here we go. We have to reveal a dollar symbol. Oh, we got nothing there. Look at that. Nope. No cash symbol. We have no cash symbol on this one, I don't think. That's a cashier. Then we have a... What is this? Coins. That's not it. Bonus 75. And we have a bank. That's not it. Bonus cash 100. Oh, we have a armored car. Now we're at the 150. And we have a piggy bank. Well, we didn't win there, folks. Alright, so now we're on to the winning numbers side. Okay, so let's see what we got. We have a 5. We have 16. We have 19. And we have 42. And then we have 44. So it's 5, 16, 19, 42, and 44. Alright. Alright, so here we go with row number 1 on this ticket. We go to row number 1. Here we go. What do we get? We have a 15, 1 off. We've got 11, no 11. We have a 50, no 50s. We have 47, nothing there. Then we go to row 2. Here we go. We have a 37. There are no 30s, so we lose on that one. A 2. Nothing there. 31. There are no 30s. And 25. No 20. No 25. No 20s. Okay, row 3. Boy, this ticket is brutal. We have 38. There's no 30s. 3. Wow. 45. 1 off. 24. No 20s. Wow. 3. So row 4. Here we go. 13. No teens. 29. No 20s again. 18. Nope. Not even close. 28. No 20s. Wow. Row 5. That's a loss. 12. 1 off. That's a loss. 41. Nothing there. Alright, folks. Last row. 40. Wow. Nothing there. Nope. Moving on. One off. Last one, folks. 7. Oh, there you have it, folks. We got grinded. Like, subscribe, share, comment. TNT Production signing off. Have a great day.